guys, welcome to my blog. I hope you all are doing well. बहुत दिनों के बाद ब्लॉग आ रहा है क्योंकि लास्ट वीक मतलब कॉलेज का बहुत सारा एग्ज़ाम था एंड सो मेनी वर्क्स वी हैव टू डू. तो आज अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ कॉलेज. इट्स 8 AM और कॉलेज में क्लास तो नहीं है बट देयर इज़ अ प्रोग्राम दैट वी हैव टू डू टुडे. सो लेट्स मीट देयर.
Carries own meaning wherever you place it. It doesn't change. So there is no rigid function of SEO.
So guys, we are done with the first session of faculty development program and we have our genius senior here. Hi Ranmay.
Thank you for the respect जो usually नहीं देते.
अरे I always pay respect Ranmay. कैसे हो?
जिंदाबाद.
तो कैसा रहा आज का क्या सीखा?
सब कुछ ठीक था बस नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है. तो अभी अगर और थोड़ी देर में मतलब चाय या कॉफी कुछ नहीं मिली तो कहीं भी किसी भी लग जाएगा.
Okay. So I have a question here Ranmay. Like Gauri ma'am, Professor Gauri ma'am have mentioned कि हमें past से कुछ सीखना चाहिए. If we are not getting anything from our past, then somewhere it will hamper our future, right? So my question is, in today's time, we are more into Gandhis and Nehrus, right? And today is the Jayanti of Maharana Pratap also, but no one mentioned it there. So the way we are like constantly reading Gandhis and Nehrus and we are just forgetting our past. Ramayana हमारा हुआ, but we rarely get things about Ramayana in our NCERT book. So what's your opinion in it?
First of all, I believe that our past begins from 1947. That is ever since we've got our independence. Our history is, we are culturally rich, we are historically rich, but we don't bother to read much about it or know much about it, because of which we do not really have much of data on it now.
Right.
More importantly, you just mentioned about Maharana Pratap. 2 days back it was Adi Shankaracharya's Jayanti. How many of us actually know much about it?
Right.
So we've got great philosophers, we've got great linguists. The session that we have in the next 5 days stresses more upon this. But the problem is that we ourselves do not really want to read about them or are not exposed to such an education system. But on the contrary, we do have a new education policy working on it.
So after the session, we are going to have our lunch for today. It seems very delicious. Guys, we are done with our lunch. और अभी जो है दूसरा सेशन स्टार्ट होगा. दूसरा सेशन स्टार्ट होने वाला है अभी तुरंत 2 बजे से. Let's see what will happen there.
And India sent the best of his sons as teachers and masters and as bhikshus and monks to different countries to spread the culture.
So guys, we are out from the college.
आशीष सबको डिस्टर्ब करता है.
So guys, we are out from the college. और guys, we are done with today's session और बहुत ही अच्छा रहा. It was little hectic, but yes, that is what life is all about. जीवन के ही ये सब पार्ट्स है. और अभी लास्ट का जो सेशन था वो शशि बाला मैम का था. It was really very nice. We talked about Vedic culture and 1.5 घंटे का सेशन था. 1.5 घंटे का सेशन था and I got bored. लेकिन ये यार बोलना थोड़ा आसान होता है लेकिन सुनना इज़ मोर डिफ़िकल्ट. पढ़ाई करो तो देखो टीचर पढ़ा देते हैं बट पढ़ने पे बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी वो होता है. बोलना क्या यार, बोल तो देते हैं लेकिन that is it for today. मिलते हैं अभी आगे. आई एम गोइंग टू माई फ्लैट राइट नाउ. We had a session of Shashi Bala ma'am right now. It was really very nice. और हिरन मेरा एक क्वेश्चन भी है इससे रिलेटेड कि अभी रिसेंटली द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ मंगोलिया हैव गिफ्टेड अ 200-year-old statue ऑफ अन्नपूर्णा. हाँ, और उसको जो है काशी विश्वनाथ में अभी रखा गया है. तो the entire world is adopting India's culture, right? But somewhere we failed to implement our own Vedic culture in our educational institutions.
Right.
So, what's your call on it?
See, as you said, we forgotten our culture, or we failed. Not maybe, we did fail.
Right.
Imagine our culture is said to be 2000 plus years old, and invasion, and all sorts of colonization that took place was a mere history of max 200 to 400 years. So if our history is such deep rooted and that the world is adapting it, imagine how weak our roots had become to the time, or maybe by the time it reached us, that we failed to pick it from where it had to be. That foreign roots for mere 400 years took over. And today we are at a stage where we criticize our own culture, wherein indirectly we are a part and parcel of the same. So it is the attitude of the younger generation also, because we believe modernization is at the cost of culture. It is also about our individualistic ideologies, which quite much suppress the culture that we usually follow. We believe that this is towards a Western approach. So we fail to recognize our very own culture till date. Only after independence that we have started recognizing things, we are understanding this better. And let's hope that in the days we try to inculcate the same. But this is a message to the youth that we have, that we've made mistakes, but it's high time, let's correct them. Let's re-inculcate some good things. Not everything is like, a night's job that if we finish it overnight. But like, of course, slow and steady wins the race. So that's
Right.
much
Well said, Hiran. So guys, I'm back from the college और अभी अपने फ्लैट पे आ चुका हूँ. The day was really very hectic, but on the same page, it was really very fruitful. तो आज का जो प्रोग्राम था, it was for the faculties. It was nothing to do with the students. लेकिन we were the volunteers there और we joined it. So that is why it was very much fruitful for us also. They were talking कि किस तरीके से भारतीयता को हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में लाया जाए और इस तरीके से कि अभी हिरन मई ने मेंशन किया कि मॉडर्नाइजेशन इज समथिंग दैट इज कवरिंग आवर कल्चर और समवेयर वी आर प्रिफरिंग मॉडर्नाइजेशन ओवर आवर कल्चर. तो बात तो सही है. लाइक एट टुडेज टाइम इन 2022 वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट भारतीयता. We all are Indians and we are just talking about our own culture. We are just talking about our own identity. ऐसा नहीं 10 या 20-50 साल का इतिहास नहीं रहा है हमारा. We have carried a civilization. We have carried a culture for more than 2000 years. 2000 साल पुराना है हमारा जो भी संस्कृति है या फिर जो भी हमारा कल्चर है. तो somewhere आत्मनिरीक्षण की ज़रूरत है. खुद से सवाल पूछने की ज़रूरत है कि वाई वी आर एट दिस स्टेज, कि भारतीयता को हमारे एजुकेशनल सिस्टम में लाना पड़ रहा है अभी. तो गाइज दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे. कल का ब्लॉग भी बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है बिकॉज वी हैव आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन टुमारो. सो लेट्स सी कल क्या मिलता है उधर. व्हाट विल गेट फ्रॉम टुमारो सेशन देयर. लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन. गाइज मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर ऑफ योर्स. जय हिंद.